You just come over to the latch and check for eggs. Got golf balls in there to get them to lay. I made that board right there so they won't sit in there. It's a good place to store stuff. Run that bolt right through there like that. Okay. Ventilation. I haven't had any complaints. And the top comes open too. Put this board right here. Right on top. See the hardware I used? Oh, look at that. Got a bug in there. I don't know what they're doing. Had a rooster, but then we had dinner. What? Yeah? You guys like it? What? There's the big coop.